So another one, no, NY Dumps Certified Public Accountant. Sir, I did it, no. So again, congratulations, NY Bumps or NY Dumps, no. So again, just continue your passion, no. And then work, no, kung saan ka ba magkatrabaho, no. In government ba, in private companies, or in ano ba, in public, no. So just continue to work hard, no, NY. Or magturo ka, no, better magturo ka sa academe para at least you can also share your knowledge sa accounting, no. So salamat, no, as nakatulong ako sa iyo, no. Again, I have my YouTube channel, no. My YouTube channel is Master Accounting. So at least nakatulong ako, no. Nakatulong ako sa inyo, especially the video here in TikTok and also in YouTube. Again, Master Accounting, no. I have videos about financial management, management advisory services, management accounting, cost management, no. So napakadami doon. So yun. And subscribe to my channel, Master Accounting. So again, NY Dumps Certified Public Accountant. Congratulations.